Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to make a product in a few minutes and upload it to Gumroad. So when I say in a few minutes, obviously I've made this report using a Google document, and then all you need to do is to download it as a PDF. Okay, I've already done that over here. So there's my document all prepared, and the other things you need to do is to prepare some images for your product when you're going to be uploading it. And for that we can go over to Canva, and you can do this for free. Just make your images. So this image is 1200 by 600 and the other image is 600 square pixels. Okay, you need those two prepared, and then you come into your Gumroad account and click on the new product, and we can do classic, start selling straight away. You can pre-order, membership charge, so you can charge recurring basis, but we're not bothering with that right now. We're going to put this up for sale straight away, and the name of our product is Simply the Truth. You want to have a notepad with your description ready as well. Those are the things that you need to have ready. Simply the Truth. The price is $0. Doesn't contain any physical goods, so we go to the next. We're adding the product now, and then look at a description, as I say, on the notepad here. Just copy and paste that in. It's a WYSIWYG editor, so you can tidy it up and maybe add images if you want. It's quite nice to have some gaps in here. Spread it out a little bit. We might bold that. Bold that. Just Control B on the keyboard. And there we are. That's done. We can put here, we can give it a custom name. Simply the Truth. That's fine, and this is where your images come in. The thumbnail 600 by 600. Upload that. Which one is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. And the image file, this file for the that one. This file for the cover. Okay. And I want this, you can come back and edit all these things later on if you like, but there's nothing else that we need to put on here. Mark the product as an e-product for VAT purposes. Well, there's no charge for this, so it doesn't. But if you're charging for it, you might want to put that on there. And that is that. We can save our changes and publish it. Okay? Oop, what did that say? Publish. Said sorry. Oh, we have to put the file on. Of course we do. What have I done here? Upload the file from my computer. There's the file. Okay. That's it. Now we can save the changes and publish. It's published. It's on product page, and we can go and see it on our profile. Okay, so now we've got, there it is, simply the truth, most effective and profitable strategy. No ratings. I might want to put this free here to show people that it's free, so I can go back in here and edit the product. There we are. And that's it. That's how you load a product up to Gumroad. We're ready to tell people about our new product. I'm Ed Kirwan. I hope you enjoyed that video and it's helped you to get started making products.